Hey everybody, my name is Kartik Subramaniam. I'm a real estate entrepreneur here in Southern California. I'm the founder of a very large real estate education company. I absolutely love what I do. I have a passion for the business. I'm happy to have found it. Follow my journey here on YouTube. Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Got a quick update here on Zillow. And I know that in the real estate industry, most real estate agents have either a love it, hate it, or maybe even a scared relationship as it relates to the website Zillow. But Phoenix and Las Vegas are two market areas where Zillow is actually willing to buy your home. Zillow has long had a make me move option on the site. Basically, how this make me move option works is that the seller or homeowner will set a price where if somebody were to pay that, it would make them move. What's interesting in the Phoenix and the Las Vegas area for Zillow is that Zillow has taken that one step further by implementing Zillow Instant Offers. Basically, how this works is if you're a homeowner in the Phoenix or Las Vegas area, you could actually send an email to Zillow and basically tell Zillow that you want them to buy your house. Zillow would then wire money to the owner if the numbers make sense for Zillow, and Zillow is actually acting as a principal in this transaction. Now, this is something that a lot of people maybe didn't see coming because Zillow was always kind of viewed as at least on the surface, as an advertising platform for the real estate community. But now Zillow has taken this maybe 2 or 3 steps further where they're actually going to be buying the home. Now, real estate agents, at least for now, are not going to be completely cut out of this equation. If Zillow buys a home, there will be a real estate commission that's paid. I'll link all that in the description box so you can see it, but Zillow is actually acting as a home buyer in the Las Vegas and Phoenix markets. I'd love to know if you've heard of this or if you have any thoughts about this, drop a comment below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to keep informed of all the newest trends in the real estate industry. Finally, I'd love to connect with you on Instagram. My information's on the screen. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.